Hi guys, today I'm gonna something new and I never seen that before. Actually, it's so cool that I never seen that before that I loved it. So that's actually not really important like a toy or something like a food or collection. See, so we got crayons that are cool. So it says here twist. So you have to twist it so you get the crayon longer. So it says name here, but maybe after the video I can answer it because it's a bit hard to answer, I don't even know this. I tried with the pencil, but it didn't really work. Wait, something's wrong. There it is. Close. 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 Put that there. That there. There's actually like 20 of them. Let's see. It doesn't say it, but it says break resistant and non-toxic retreatable tip. You know what that means? Okay, so I'm just gonna show you the colors that are included, which I don't think there are all of them are here, but okay. So it says red, pink, sand, orange, yellow, sky blue, color blue, purple, dark green, leaf green, brown, black. So here we go. I'm gonna get a crayon to show you how it works. Color black. Okay. So here's how it works. So you can twist this so you can make it longer, and if you want it shorter, then twist like this backwards when I do this. Okay, so that's how you do it. So now I'm gonna draw. So I got a paper that I can draw on. I'm really gonna show it to you that I'm drawing because it's a bit hard, I just want to do. So it's open. Okay. So I'm gonna draw. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how many are in here. Actually, I have to assemble it first because there's so much. Okay. I got it. This is so hard, guys. I have to video when I'm doing it. Okay, I have done it before. Here are all the colors. So much, right? Have you posted it? So we can count it. Great. So now I can draw. How can I put this foot down? Okay, there it is. There we go. Perfect. Now I can draw. Hi. So here you go, guys. So this is my drawing. Actually, my mom helped. My mom got an idea with the clouds, and my mom do some top of these and the bottom of these.
Yeah, very beautiful. Because
So that's the end.
we have new crayons.
Bye guys. Like to subscribe to our channel and leave the comments below. Bye. Actually, there's no comments below. Empty. Bye. One.
La 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 la.
La The Christmas is almost there, and even the vacation, it's almost Christmas Day. Christmas Day, almost there for the Christmas Day. Okay guys, so here's the question. What did I use first in what color did I use first in the video? Was it leaf green, red, or black? Bye!